Okay guys, so today we got a new build, but before that, let's take the GTO out of hibernation. It's been standing all winter long. We gotta lift it up, check underneath, go maybe for a test drive, and then we'll go pick up the new build. Also, we're gonna be announcing 2 winners that we did on the giveaway on the Civic build, so stay tuned for that, and let's get into the video. Cold start for you guys. Gonna go for a little test run, and this thing's been sitting in the shop most of the winter. How's your test drive review?
Not bad.
Of the GTO? What
it's okay. I mean, not as fast as a Civic, but it'll do for now.
But it's pretty soft for being like a sports car.
American muscle.
American muscle.
Oh, do you know what I got in the back? I got the jumper in the back.
Got that LS2. Is that what hit?
Something bouncing around.
Oh, she's trying to race. I think you got her.
Got him.
Are we gonna go test drive the Evo right now?
Yeah, let's go.
Who's gonna be pushing?
You.
As you guys know, we had this Evo for a while now. It has a blown motor and it's wrecked in the front, but it's taken us a while because we can't find a good deal on the motor. So if you know somebody that has a motor and wants to sell it to us for a good deal, hit us up. Civic is all done. You can see this is wrapped. That's wrapped right there. Sandblasted and powder coated wheels, little exhaust action, little duck lip or whatever you want to call this. Looks pretty clean.
guys, the new build is here. It was purchased from Insurance Auto Auction, and if you guys are in the market for a car, go check it out. Maybe you guys can find something there for yourself. And we're gonna go over this build real quick. It's a 2000, not a 2000 again, I messed up. It's a 1999 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-wheel drive taco truck. So let's go around and see what's wrong with it. So it's purple, fancy. Interior's a little dirty, but no blown airbags. Definitely needs a good detail. And let's keep going. So she got hit in the front a little bit. So it's gonna need a headlight. The bumper's damaged. A piece of the frame got tore out. The fender we're gonna try to fix. So we'll see how that goes. And let's see under here. So it's got the V6 engine under here. Everything looks good. It's just dirty. The radiators are even good. As far as we can tell for right now, like the air box is good, the washer bottle is good, everything. It doesn't seem like there's anything damaged other than the headlight. This core support might be pushed in a little bit. We'll straighten it out. And yeah, so this is what it is. It does have a lot of miles on it. 226,000, but for this truck, feels taken care of. Just got broken in, so it still got a lot of life left in it. So it's got some wheels on it, some decent tires, and like I said before, the paint job is super clean on this thing. It was definitely repainted at some point, so that's why we're gonna try to fix this fender. That way we could just blend it and don't have to go farther in, and it's just gonna be a pain in the butt to do that. So yeah, let's just keep going here. This body, or this side of the truck is in good shape. Interior, like I said, needs a detail, but nothing crazy. It doesn't even have crazy tears in it or nothing like that. Just needs a good wash. It is a 4-wheel drive. It's got the good old manual windows. Got tinted windows. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun project. It's got some sandbags. We might give them away on the next giveaway, so if you need a sandbag, stay tuned. This is what it is, guys. We read your guys' comments below. There's a lot of comments on the truck build. Yeah, it's not a brand new truck, but it's what was available.
Now time to pick the winners of the giveaway. We're giving away these hats right here. I think we're gonna have 2 styles, but we'll see. It's gonna take a little bit some time right now with all the things going on to actually send the hats out, but the winners, don't worry. If you are the winner, make sure you contact us by email or comment below with your email. We'll shoot you an email. But we took the link from this Civic build right here. The last video you see giveaway. We took the link to that and put it right there. Get YouTube comments. Okay, so comments are going. Boom. Baseline Car Channel is the first giveaway winner, and we have 2 winners, so let's pick another winner real quick. Let's go. And the second giveaway winner is Cameron Clifford. So love the Civic, would love to see a truck build. Look at this. This guy actually deserves to win. Look at that. Anyways, we're doing a truck build now. And if you are the winner, contact us. And if you are the winner, did I say winter?
Winner.
If you're the winner, contact us and we're gonna send you out some hats. So this is a wrap for the first part of this build. Next one, we're gonna start taking it apart, start looking more into depth into what happened here, because we still have no idea what's exactly damaged over there. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and like we said earlier, a lot of you guys asked for a truck build, so I hope you guys enjoy this 1999 Toyota Tacoma, and we'll see you guys on the next video.